Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy JANITOR token on Binance Alpha. As you know, JANITOR just get listed on Binance, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply open your Binance apps. Then you can go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search JANITOR, this one, and this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. And there are 24-hour volume, high, low circulation, supply. And if you want to see the audit, you can click audit here. This is the audit. If you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose using instant buy or limit order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.